Hi, this is Stephanie Benjamin. This is week 9, and this is the final project for JavaScript for the Game of War. And so I'm just going to read the notes here. This file contains the code for the card game War. The game is played by 2 players, each of whom is dealt half of a shuffle deck of cards. Each player plays a card from the top of their hand, and the player with the higher card wins the round. The game ends with all the cards have been played, and the player with the most points wins. It defines 3 classes: card, deck, and game. The card class represents a playing card with a rank and a suit. The deck class represents a deck of cards and contains a method to shuffle the deck and a method to divide the deck into 2 hands. The game class represents a game of war and contains a method to play the game, a method to print the scores, and a method to declare the winner. The game is played by creating a new game object calling the play method. So here we have the first class, which is a card. The second class, which is a deck. Here are the cards. This is where we shuffle the deck upon initialization. And here we go with shuffle. We're shuffling the cards using the Fisher-Yates algorithm here. And this is the iteration. And next we create card objects for each combination of rank and suit. These are the card objects, and we're using a for loop for that. Here we're dividing into hands. Player 1 hand, player 2 hand, right here. We're dividing the deck. And then here is the third class, which is the game. That's right, it's the third one. All right. We're creating a new deck here. And here we're iterating through each card in the hands. And here we're comparing the ranks of the cards. And then next we're updating the scores based on the comparison using an else if statement. We're incrementing the player. Well, we're incrementing the player 1 score here. And then here we're incrementing the player 2 score. And here we're printing the scores and declaring the winner. See. And then it ends up being a tie. And we're going to go to the see the result here in the console. So it's 0-0 and it ends up being a tie. And that's it.